Impact. This program has impacted very positively on our society. The dignity and hopes was restored in over 3,500 patients that we have treated successfully. Over 75% of the victims have returned back to their abandoned homes and reintegrated into the communities. All the rehabilitated clients have acquired skill acquisition. In the area of adolescent health, over 7,000 young people acquired knowledge that enables them to make informed health choices and relationships, and are now advocates of healthy practices. Empowered young girls and women contribute positively on the economic development of the nation. Our future plan, the ministry is poised to do more. We intend to repair a high number of backlog of BVF repair cases. We intend to attend to a high number of complex cases that need special care. You have to be, understanding that some of these complicated surgeries will be performed multiple of times. Women will undergo several types of surgery before they are able to attain success. We continue to create awareness creation on the causes of BVF prevention and its management. We know mostly it is due to early marriages in some certain part of the country. Sometimes it's due to lack of access to qualified health facilities with good manpower, but we have built capacity in all across the nation, and more people are being educated on how to prevent new cases. We have reached out to over 70% of young people, and currently BVF survey is ongoing across the country with a view that will understand the magnitude of the problem. So, distinguished ladies and gentlemen, it is my pleasure to present to you a total of 3,515 RBF clients that were surgically repaired and were rehabilitated. Secondly, we have been able to train 943 teachers, 124 faith-based organizations, in-school students, and 1,163 out-of-school young people trained as peer-to-peer health educators in Nigeria. We believe this is a very positive development in ensuring that the health of women is improved in this nation through the transformation of our dear Mr. President. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much, sir. One word that kept on coming as he was speaking was the word repair. And thank you for repairing our girls. But girls are also helping us to repair our roads. Not only repairing, they're also part of construction. That's what Minister of Works is doing. And they're next to present what they're actually contributing to YouWin. As I welcome the Managing Director of FEMA to represent the Honorable Minister of Works, Engineer Amuchi.
The Coordinating Minister for the Economy and Minister for Finance, other ministers here present, distinguished ladies and gentlemen, gentlemen of the press. The Coordinating Minister for the Economy conceived this very innovative program that ties the provision of additional budget funds to the delivery of specific results and benefits to girls and women in Nigeria. This program, known as Growing Girls and Women in Nigeria, YouWin, was meant to be implemented by a number of selected ministries, amongst which includes the Federal Ministry of Works, and then the Federal Road Maintenance Agency, the Agency of that ministry. This program, with the Federal Ministry of Works and FEMA, identified and worked on a number of projects that includes the following. Within the Federal Ministry of Works, the YouWin project, we refer to as YouWin Project 1, worked on the rehabilitation of 3 federal road projects which fell within farming communities. One of which is the Oji Achi Obiago Maku Agu Umpu Akeze Road Section 1 in Enugu and Ebonyi states. They also worked on the Vandekia Obudu Cattle Ranch Road, Phase 1 in Benue State. These are areas that were meant to be connecting the cassava farm to the Gari processing plants. And these projects have been 100% completed, as you can see on the screen. They also worked on the Wukari Mutumbiu Jalingo Numan Road in Taraba State, meant to be linking the yam farmlands to the major markets in that area. This has also been 100% completed. The impact of this, ladies and gentlemen, is one, that about 1 million girls and women will benefit as they have access to the distribution of goods and services using these projects. It economically empowered girls and women in those communities. The 3 road projects facilitated the evacuation and processing of farm produce to their various markets. The second project, handled by the Federal Ministry of Works, is the professional women and girls that were trained on public procurement process for the construction industry. The impact of this was that 53 women from 36 states of the Federation and FCT were trained in Nasarawa State. The project enabled the women to bid and secure contracts in any establishment. It will also improve the socio-economic development of these women in the society. The YouWin project number 3, executed by the ministry, was the rural women that were engaged and trained on public procurement for supplies and business enterprise, minor supplies like materials, sand, laterite for construction sites. Rural women were sensitized and trained on public procurement, business enterprises, and supply of small items such as chippings, gravels to work sites. The impact of this was that 127 women and girls were sensitized and 25 women and girls were trained in Benue State. The training improved the business activities of rural women and girls and will enable them to bid for the supply of small items in road industry anywhere in the country. It improved also their socio-economic development within the society. The 4th program was the YouWin Rest Facility that have just commenced. The ministry plans to provide rest areas along federal highways to provide business opportunities to rural girls and women who will be trained to manage them. And at the same time, reduce fatigue-related accidents and boost economic activities. That is to say, these rest houses will be built for road users that will require to rest along distant trips and then get recreated. This will comprise parking areas for trailers and cars, restaurants, toilet facilities, mini markets, pharmaceutical stores, first aid clinic, police station, and Federal Road Safety Corps station. Already, the work is in progress at the rest area at Funtua, the junction in Katsina State, Northwest Geopolitical Zone. The impact of this project, ladies and gentlemen, is that 600 women and girls will be engaged in all the 6 geopolitical zones,